Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off your PS5 in 2025. So, for example, now we're on the home screen, right? If you want to go to the home screen and you want to turn off the PS5 from here, all we're going to do is hold the PS button, press the PS button once over here, and then as you guys see, it opens up the menu, right? Look over there. Then we're going to go all the way to the right to the power button over here. And then you have the power button, then you have this option. You can enter rest mode. Now, if you have rest mode settings enabled, you can also charge controllers and you can download updates. Rest mode will put your PlayStation pretty much to sleep mode, same as with laptops and PCs. And you can also download games if you have that setting enabled. I'll make another tutorial for that later on. And then here we have the option to fully turn off your PS5. Now I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the PS5 in here if you're in a game. So let's say you're in a game. I'm going to quickly load up Elden Ring for this example. Get out. Now I'm in Elden Ring. I'm going to quickly show you guys this game. If you're unfamiliar with Elden Ring, I'm going to show you... Oh wait, never mind. I don't have any enemies over here. But look at this pretty much. I can cast spells. It's a cool game. Anyways, if you're inside a game, then what we're going to do is we are going to hold the PS button this time. And then we're going to press the PS button. So what do you do when you're in the game? You have to hold over here, which will bring you to the main menu. And then we can press the button over here. Now we can go to the same thing. We rest mode or you turn it off. But if you want to quit the game as well, make sure you save games generally. But if you want to quit the game, then you just press this button over here and then you click close game. And that is how you turn off your PS5 in 2025. I'm going to put it on rest mode because I'm downloading a game and this generally makes it go faster.